This all-in-one freezer, refrigerator, and battery pack will fit all your traveling needs. And you keep moving with 12 hours of refrigeration and battery power. Multiple options to recharge it. If ever you need to recharge your phone or any other device, it has a compact battery pack, so no need to worry about running out of battery power. You can also remove it from the cooler to charge it from things at a distance. It keeps your food and drinks icy cold on the go thanks to its smart, cableless, battery-powered design. If this battery starts to run low, you can easily plug it in into the car or the solar panel that comes with it, or right into the wall. No more ice or soggy food. You can adjust the temperature straight from your phone. It has a bottle holder on the back. And a telescopic handle and all-terrain wheels.